Today I am reviewing the Roborock Qrevo CurvX robot vacuum and mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Roborock Qrevo CurvX robot vacuum and mop is one of the most advanced all-in-one cleaning systems available today, combining powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and fully automated maintenance into a single smart device. Designed for modern homes, this robot vacuum doesn't just clean. It transforms the entire cleaning experience into something effortless and highly efficient. Let's start with performance, because this is where the Qrevo CurvX truly stands out. With an incredible 22,000 pascals hyperforce suction, this robot delivers deep cleaning power that rivals even some traditional upright vacuums. It handles everything from fine dust and crumbs to stubborn debris embedded in carpets. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, long hair, or dirt trapped in floor gaps, the suction power ensures thorough results across all surfaces. Paired with this is the zero tangling design, which is especially useful for households with pets or long hair. Hair wrap is one of the most common issues with robot vacuums, but this system is engineered to minimize that problem. It reduces maintenance and keeps the vacuum running efficiently without constant cleaning of the brush. One of the most impressive features is its ultra-slim profile. At just 3.14 inches, this is one of the slimmest robot vacuums in its class. This allows it to reach areas that many other robots simply can't, such as under sofas, beds, and cabinets. These are typically the hardest spots to clean, and the CurvX is specifically designed to target them with ease. When it comes to mopping, this device takes things to another level. It uses 80 degrees Celsius hot water to clean the mop pads, ensuring a more hygienic cleaning process. This is a major upgrade compared to standard robot mops, which often reuse dirty water. Here, the system actively washes the mop with hot water, dissolving grease and stubborn stains, and then dries it using warm air. This not only improves cleaning results, but also prevents odors and bacteria buildup. The multifunctional Dock 3.0 Thermo Plus is essentially the brain behind this hands-free experience. It automatically empties dust, refills water, washes and dries the mop, and even cleans itself. This means you can go weeks without needing to manually maintain the device. It's designed for true automation, making it ideal for busy households. Navigation is another area where the Qrevo CurvX excels. It uses a combination of LiDAR and AI-powered obstacle recognition to map your home and avoid objects intelligently. With the ability to detect over 100 different types of obstacles, it can navigate around furniture, cables, and even small items without getting stuck. The Retract Sense navigation system adds another layer of intelligence by adjusting the LiDAR sensor based on the environment, ensuring smooth operation in both open spaces and tight areas. The AdaptiLift chassis is a unique innovation that allows the robot to adjust its height and position depending on the terrain. It can lift itself up to 4 centimeters to cross thresholds or adapt to uneven surfaces. This means it can move seamlessly between different floor types without interruption, which is a major advantage in multi-room homes. For pet owners, this robot offers some surprisingly thoughtful features. It can recognize pets, avoid disturbing them, and even interact through real-time video calls and two-way voice communication. You can check in on your pets while you're away and even capture snapshots, adding a fun and interactive element to the device. The companion app further enhances the experience. With features like Smart Plan 2.0, the robot learns your cleaning habits and adjusts its behavior based on room type and usage patterns. You can customize cleaning schedules, select specific rooms, and choose between different cleaning modes, all from your smartphone. In real-world use, the Qrevo CurvX feels incredibly smart and reliable. It cleans efficiently, avoids obstacles with precision, and requires very little intervention from the user. The combination of powerful suction, advanced mopping, and full automation makes it one of the most convenient cleaning solutions available. Of course, like any advanced device, it works best when connected to a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and its premium features may place it in a higher price category. However, the level of automation and performance it delivers makes it a worthwhile investment for those who want a truly hands-free cleaning experience. Overall, The Roborock Qrevo CurvX is not just a robot vacuum. It's a complete smart cleaning system. It combines cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, and intelligent design to deliver a cleaning experience that is both effective and effortless. If you're looking for one of the most advanced robot vacuums on the market, this is a top-tier option that brings convenience, innovation, and performance together in a way that few others can match.